Alright, thank y'all for watching this. It's 4:30 right now. It's the second deer hunt I've been on the 2013-2014 season. I don't have any doe tags right now because we've been lazy and haven't gotten any. So it'll just be a buck hunt. We're just shooting at bucks. We're shooting a Rage broadhead, 2-inch cut with a Lumenok and a PSE X-Force. It's about where we got a corn pile set up, and it's about a 10-yard shot. It's a little closer than I like to shoot. I like to shoot around 20. That's what I feel comfortable shooting. That's what I prefer. But yeah, it should be good. We're in a bunch of hardwoods, as you can see. Just a bunch of hardwoods. There's a power line right there. You can probably see it. It's just power line. But then hardwoods going up. Then it's a big field. I mean, that stuff's pretty freaking high. You can't tell how high it is in this video, but it's pretty high. And yeah, so hopefully we'll be able to get one on film tonight and put the Rage in the cage, hopefully. So we'll see y'all later. See y'all when some action happens. I hope y'all just got that on film. I just had a nice sized buck. That was 63 yards. 63 yards. Freaking bitch. Man, I can't believe that just happened. Oh, that's awesome, man. I just shot. Oh, that's sweet. Makes me so happy. Okay, there was just a deer. I'll show you back real quick. I hope y'all got that on film. He was standing right there and I slayed him, man. I smacked the crap out of him. And there's a doe that walked right there. That's awesome right there. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. Shot a nice deer. Awesome. Awesome. I seen this rack just come up. I seen this rack sticking up on the doe. She walked out right there. And I ranged it. I was like, God, that's a big doe. So I ranged it, and it said 63 yards. And he walked out a little behind her, so it was 60 yards, I guarantee it. And so I put the pin right on him, and I just squeezed the trigger. And I nailed him. This is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna shut it off and give myself a little bit. And I don't know if it looked like it might have hit the shoulder, so it didn't look like it had that much penetration. It looked like it had 8 or 9 inches. But it wasn't a pass-through. I just shot a freaking deer at 60 yards, and it's a nice buck. I'm excited. This is awesome. Okay, bye. Alright. Just found blood. Hold up. Right there. And guess what? The crap is laying right there. I can't even hold that camera still. That's not 10 yards right there. Look, I shot him. I'm so excited. That's why my voice is cracking and stuff. I shot him right there. Oh, I gotta zoom out. Shot him right there. He ran right there. That's not 10 yards. Okay, let me range it real quick. Give me 1 second. That's 15 yards. That's 15 yards. Oh, I see my Lumenok. Oh man, look at that. Oh, that thing is so I broke my arrow. That's okay though. Hold up. I gotta get in here a little bit where I can actually focus. Oh my gosh. That's a deer, baby. That's a deer. Okay, there's my arrow right there. Holy blanket. Oh my gosh. He's done. What is he, a big 6? Go. Yeah, baby. Look at this deer. Oh my gosh. Okay, I want to shut this off real quick. I'll be back in a second.